Hello and welcome to this order print demonstration. To get started, go to the Android Play Store and search for order print. We should come up first, install the app and open it. Allow permissions, obviously, and then go to the settings. Just put in your mailbox, should find the settings, and then put in the password and test, obviously. You can see if it tests properly. Then add a printer down below. Can be a Bluetooth or a network printer. In this case, I'm adding a network printer. You can test the printer, just like that, to see if it works, and don't forget to save your settings when you're done. After doing that, you should see that the order monitor is running in your notifications at the top. That's it, leave it running. Now, when someone places an order on your website, obviously it's going to send an email with all that order information. In this case, it's a WooCommerce one, but it doesn't really matter. And there you go, order received, automatically printed out straight away. And if you want to see all the order details, there they are.